In this video, I want to talk about one of the biggest mistakes that I see all the time, including for myself, when it comes to learning how to be an entrepreneur or make money or finances. Subscribe to this channel if it's something that you're interested in or you want more help with learning how to be an entrepreneur and grow. So today what I want to share with you about is really it's about mindsets. Other words, like what we learn. And think about this. What do you learn about finances? Where do you learn about finances? Most of us learn about finances through life, through experience. And what do you learn? You learn that time is money. You learn that you got to work hard and you earn and then you pay your bills and everything. And then it starts over again. And you might end up in a trap of finances and loans and all kinds of stuff where you owe a lot of money and ultimately you're working to pay a lot of debts. And that's a terrible trap to fall in. I know I've fallen into it myself. And so today I want to share with you about something that I've found that can help in one of the biggest areas. And the mistake that most of us make is that we don't learn financial education. We don't get any training or teaching to help us learn to understand finances better. A long time ago, I heard somebody say that money and income and finances and taxes and all these different things, it's kind of like a big game. And if you learn the rules and understand how everything works better, the better that you know the rules, the better you can play the game. And I hate to say it that way, but there's a lot of truth in that. So you can work really hard for like time is money and you get paid hourly. Well, what if I could show you how to write a book and how to publish the book and how to make money by selling your book and then stepping away from it? So you invest time and effort to create your book and then to publish it, but then when you leave, it can just keep making money for you. I have several books that I've written. You can look my name up on Amazon. You'll see that I've written several books and they sell. I don't have to keep promoting them. I don't have to, like, month after month, year after year. I make a little bit of money here and there, but I already put the time in to write those books and I'm not rewriting those books. Think about it. Anyway, so today what I want to share with you about is something that can help impact your thinking and that can affect everything else. If I didn't believe that I could write a book, I wouldn't even try. And then once I believe that I can write a book, well, I need somebody to help me to understand what are the steps I need to take to write a book. I keep using the example of a book. In the description, I'm going to put a link for my book on how to write a book. But I'm also going to include especially about something called Make More Offers Challenge. Now, the Make More Offers Challenge is presented by a guy whose name is Myron Golden. He teaches information that can really change how you think about finances and how to make money in an honest way, but also change how you think about it. And by changing how we think about it, it can impact everything else. I'm gonna show you the webpage. I'm gonna have a link in the description. I'm gonna put some information about a link on the screen here, but let me take you to the page real quick. So here we are, and this is called the Make More Offers Challenge. Basically, what he walks you through, this is like a 1 week challenge. And if you go to the link, it'll take you to this page. And basically, the challenge is about right here on the page. You'll see day 1. He talks about offer science, what he calls offer science, and then strategies, right? And then some offer scripts, ways to talk about some of these different things. But here's the thing, the way that he does stuff is it's very obvious. It's very logical. It makes sense. He's not playing a game. He's not trying to, eventually he's going to sell you something, but the challenge is not about him selling you something. It's about challenging you to be able to make more offers. if you've ever wanted to promote someone's stuff, like I'm doing here as an affiliate, I'm promoting his make money, make more. I'm promoting his make more offers challenge. I don't have to create all of this or anything, but if you decide that it's something for you, then as an affiliate, it helps me too, right? And so affiliate marketing, this is a positive way. And actually, this might be something you might want to look into to be an affiliate of because it's good stuff. It's not a game, it's not scammy, it's not like a lot of crazy stuff that's out there. There's a lot of stuff that I think is like shiny objects and stuff. This is not shiny objects. This is somebody who knows what they're talking about. They prove what they're talking about while they talk about it, and there's no question about it. And so I'm going to have a link in the description of this video. If it's something you're interested in, check it out. If you have questions about it, you're welcome to ask me. And if you go through the training, let me know what happens. Let me know how it goes for you. And I just really want to encourage you, make more offers challenge. That's what this is about. Ultimately, what kind of difference has it made for me? Well, here I am making a video. And I haven't been making videos in a while. I've created some online courses to teach people how to play the piano with a special method on how to play the piano. Wrote a book to teach people how to write books. Even made an online course for that. But I haven't been promoting my stuff. And this right here is a step in the direction for me even to encourage me on how could I do that? And one of the ways to do that is just to take another step, learn something. You know, sometimes some of the biggest decisions I've ever made, I know myself, have come because somebody shared with me something, and it's not like it took a lot of time. The difference is that I heard something that made a difference in how I think about something, and that made a difference in me actually doing something about it, taking action. And so check it out. Let me know what you think. I hope this helps you. And again, if you have any questions, send your questions to me. Go to akeytoanydoor.com, or you can use the description through the YouTube channel and the video. Also, go ahead and click on the links in the description. You can check out the Make More Offers Challenge. If you're interested, you can look at the book I wrote about how to write books. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions or anything else, and I hope things go well for you.